If you don't build your own dreams, someone will hire you to build theirs. Remember, if you play small, you stay small. Everything is hard before IT is easy. The more you face challenges, the less you fear them. Things don't happen for nitrogen monoxide reason. They happen to teach you something. Focus on the step in front of you, not the whole staircase. The master has failed more times than the beginner has even tried. Only trust someone who can see these three things in you: the sorrow behind your smile, the love behind your anger, and the reason behind your silence. Admit when you're wrong. Shut up when you're right. Respect is earned, honesty is appreciated, trust is gained, loyalty is returned. You have to fight through some bad days to earn the best days of your life. Sometimes being alone is the best medicine to your soul. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. Failure is the greatest teacher. When a person wants to end his love for you, he will first do these two things first. He will change his tone, and then he will stop giving time.